Welcome to Niger Anchor News.
The Minister of Information,
former President Donald Trump.
Niger Anchor News Sports Section.
The people of Palestine, thank you.
Thank you for being a part of Niger Anchor News today.
Top USA court will rule on Trump immunity claims. Welcome to Niger Anchor News. I'm Santiago Jose. The Supreme Court will decide if ex-President Donald Trump is immune from being prosecuted on charges of trying to overturn the 2020 elections. The 6-3 conservative majority court decided on Wednesday to hear Mr. Trump's claim that he should be shielded from criminal liability. The ruling marks the first time the court has weighed in on such a case, as the USA Court of Appeals panel has already rejected Mr. Trump's argument that he enjoyed presidential immunity. Mr. Trump had claimed in the landmark legal case that he was immune from all criminal charges for acts he said fell within his duties as president. But the appeal court ruled unanimously against the 77-year-old, writing that we cannot accept former President Trump's claim that president has unbounded authority to commit crimes that would neutralize the most fundamental check on the executive power, the recognition and implementation of election results. He appealed the case to the Supreme Court and asked to put the decision on hold. On his Truth Social side, Trump welcomed Wednesday's decision and contended that without immunity, presidents will always be concerned and even paralyzed by the prospect of wrongful prosecutions and retaliation after they leave office. This could actually lead to the extortion and blackmail of a president, he wrote. Mr. Trump was charged last year with witness tampering and conspiracy to defraud the USA Federal Court in Washington, D.C. over his attempt to overturn his 2020 election loss to Joe Biden. Jack Smith, who was appointed as special counsel in the investigation, brought the charges against Mr. Trump and pushed for the trial to be held this year. The court could have left the appellate court judgment stand, which would have allowed the trial proceeding to resume. Instead, a minimum of 4 of the 9 justices voted to take up the case. That suggests that there is some debate within the court on whether Mr. Trump has some immunity from prosecution. The decision has potential to seriously delay the trial, which was originally scheduled for March. Argument in the Supreme Court are scheduled for the week of 22nd April, and any trial will have to wait until after a decision is made. Although decisions could be swiftly, the justice could rule that the former president is immune from prosecution or issue a decision that further delays legal action.
The people of Palestine, thank you.
Thank you for being a part of Niger Anchor News.